Yes sir, it's your boy Dubs Daily. Beautiful day outside today. And I just said, you know what, I'm bored, let me do some car shit. And over the last few days, I was at work and just staring at my car, literally thinking what I could do to make it a little bit more me. I don't know if it's gonna look better. It looked better in my head, but who knows how the end product's gonna look. So I'm like, how can I make it look like me? And I'm thinking, you know what, I'm gonna just do some kind of cuts. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but I have an idea and we're just gonna put it to the test. I'm not really worried about cutting this bumper up because they're very easy to source, especially used. Like, there's a ton of part outs and people have front bumpers for as cheap as 50 bucks, you know. That's really nothing. Probably even in, almost tripped on it. Probably even in better condition than the one I got right now. So I'm gonna cook a little something up. And in addition, for this video, I'm gonna be installing some different type of side skirts. Right now I'm running the OEM ones, and I never posted a video about doing this because it's a pretty simple swap, but I was running the Type S side skirts for a little bit. Managed to pick them up, primer them, and I slapped them on. And then I saw another set of side skirts available for a very, reasonable price. So picked those up. They are fiberglass. I was having some fitting issues onto the car with the fiberglass side skirts alone. So what I did is I mounted the OEM ones, put the fiberglass ones over on top of the OEM ones, and then did some drilling points, and I believe I have it lined up, but I haven't got it officially mounted to the car, but I managed to mount them onto the side skirts alone. So what I managed to pick up is the INGS N-Spec style side skirts, and yes, I say style because these are just reps, it's not the real thing. I ain't got money for all that. But as I was mentioning with the fiberglass, like, you could see it's not in perfect condition. It is kind of raggedy. This side of the side skirt I did have to do some trimming to, because when I was trying to line it up with the side skirt alone, it was interfering with the inner wheel well on the quarter panel. So, I had to do some extra trimming and try and get everything to fit along with the OEM side skirt, which I'll be showing you guys later. So yeah, another thing, like all the flaws, I'm not really tripping about it. You guys can see all the chips and holes and in certain areas. Everything doesn't look flush. It's whatever. Like, this whole car on a whole just needs a touch up. So I'm not really tripping. So before I start this project, let you guys understand the vision. I've been seeing some pictures. Like, I searched up custom RSX bumpers on Google just to see what different ideas I could find. And of course, they're going to show me a lot of aftermarket ones that, you may or may not see on the main roads. But there was one that stuck out to me. It was the RSX, I think, I-Spec bumper. And I just like this style of, like, how the grill goes up slightly higher and has a more rectangular shape. And then, of course, the fog lights are different. I really don't like these circular fog light areas. I prefer the 05, 06 fog lights. They're a little bit more angled. Everything's a little bit more sharp. This one's a little, just a little too bubbly, but it is what it is. I'm gonna try and, work around it. Just to add on, I do have a lot of plans for how I want to finalize this bumper, but I definitely don't think this is all gonna get done in one video. So this will most likely end up being a part 1 because of other things I got planned. I'm just gonna start making some marks and making some cuts and see where it leaves me. So here's the tracing right now. This is just gonna be like the rough cut once I start actually trimming the bumper. Down here, I am gonna be going all the way to the bottom, but I started off a bit higher just for, like, when I'm ready to grind it down, I get it even instead of trying to cut here and then I go too far deep into the bumper or some shit. As for the top area I think the sides are actually pretty well lined up in my opinion, but we'll see once I start cutting. As for the top area, I had to go higher than I wanted because the original owner had the plate mounted here. As you can see, there's 2 holes for the bolts, and the holes are asymmetrical. So this one is slightly higher than this one. If I want to completely get rid of the holes in the bumper, I gotta cut from the higher hole, well, the top of the higher hole, of course, and then go straight across. And as you can see, that little gap there. So yeah, that's how I got it mocked up as of right now. Oh shit, there's no turning back now, that's for sure. But still gotta grind this corner down to this little body line here, and then get everything flush with this edge even down to this corner. And I also gotta touch up the top part, and yeah, that'd be it for the trimming process, I believe. There you go, slightly better. Honestly, my only thing right now though, like I did sand it, but I'm gonna have to do a little bit more work. The driver's side half is still slightly higher and a little less even than the passenger side. Like, look how much better this side looks. And then here's the driver's side. You know, like, ugh. But I'm gonna take care of that shortly. In the meantime, I also got those stupid fog light covers. I honestly, I don't like, what is this? I don't like it, hate it. So took those out. I don't know what the plan is for the future for the fog light. Like, honestly, I could probably get some fog lights or do something else custom along with the grill setup that I'm trying to do. But yeah, this is how that's sitting right now. Honestly, this might be it for now as for the bumper goes. So honestly, let me just hit up those side skirts right now. So from when I did my first test fit with these side skirts onto the OEM side skirts, I haven't tried putting them back on since. So this is gonna be like a new thing for me as well, like mounting these up while they're on the vehicle. I hope it all works out. Yeah, another issue, yeah. So, two things. This part here that usually goes in between the door and the side skirt, this of course isn't sliding perfectly because I'm pretty sure it's meant to be by itself and not with the OEM side skirt. So what I'm gonna do, I'm chopping all this off from here all the way down to here. Second problem is that this arch area here around the rear quarter is an extremely tight fit, and if I push it anymore, it's just gonna crack. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut at least from down here and near where I mount the screw on the rear end. Quick little mock-up. Hold on, wait. Yo, this is my first time seeing it on the whip like this. Yo, this looks clean. But anyways, back to reality. Now I gotta make some cuts here and along the bottom and also the back of the door because it interferes with the door path. Like, look at that. So I gotta make my cuts there. I do not want to take this off, and honestly, I do trust myself to do it while it's still on the car. So that's just what's gonna happen. Just gonna have to be extremely careful, but at the same time I don't really care because look I think I've said it enough. Like, look at the car. I've said it enough. So yeah, I'm gonna make my cut while it's on the car. I'll show you the final product once the passenger side skirt is on, because I don't have to show the process. It's the exact same thing. So yeah, just gonna get this shit done quickly. Final tie. You guys, can I record, please? Shh. Thank you. All right, so final verdict again. I don't know how I feel about it right now. Of course, this is just stage one. I'm just seeing it as it is, but I have the end vision there for this project. You guys let me know how you feel about it right now. I'm even 50-50, but I have the end vision, and the end vision is, you know, a 10 out of 10. So we'll see. Onto the side skirts now. Definitely had to do some trimming on both sides to get this to sit a lot better and, you know, have no issues opening and closing my door. Nothing's interfering. This I'm not too worried, to be honest, but oh my god, I just lost my slide. But yeah, I'm definitely planning to cover it up eventually, but oh my god. What? I really do gotta hurry because I gotta take my siblings for a walk, but let's just wrap this up quick. I really do love this. Like, this view right here, this does a lot. This vented side skirt really does a lot for it. So I'm happy I was able to pick these up, although it's damaged, whatever. I'm not tripping about that. But this isn't all that's gonna be added to the side, so stay tuned. And right now, like, the front bumper man, that motorcycle's loud. The front bumper looks very, very naked right now, but again, I got plans in the future for this. All right, I got a little more to add to that. Just show you guys the other side. My clearance problems solved. Nothing. But yeah, this is it for now. guys know the vibes, man. Like, comment, subscribe, share. All right, follow me on IG. Whoa, I lost my slide again. Follow me on IG, Dubsdaily __ get me to 2K by the end of the year. All right, I'm gonna do another giveaway at 2K. Support me and I reward you for supporting me. All right, I appreciate all the love. Y'all stay tuned for all of that. Stay tuned for more videos. You know, trust this car is gonna be built into something different. I really want to try and push to get a second car because I don't want to winner this. Might have to winner it one more time because I ain't got the funds right now to get a second car. But by next year, I really plan to have something else to use as a winner beater and build this to be something crazy, like crazy. All right, but I've still gotta, you know, I gotta have fun. All right. Anyways, I'm out.